Hello and welcome all my dear students of Standard 2nd. This is Rohan Tarwani from Mahdi English Medium School. Welcoming all my dear 2nd standard girls and boys again in the English revision classes. Yes, these are the revision classes because we have completed all the 12 chapters of English, having a fun and easily by even writing all the theory parts. So every single thing is completed. Now why always we do the revision is because somewhere someone might not have watched the lecture, missed out few topics. Somewhere someone might be having the queries in the story even after understanding it. Somewhere someone might be finding difficult to remember few topics and the part of the story. These all things are covered when we do the revision. So we can even say that this is a golden opportunity for the people who might have missed any of the lectures for whatever reason. In today's lecture, as you know that we have completed in the previous lecture lesson 10 worksheet objectives. After sending you that lecture, I thought we will even revise the topics related to the fair book. But first we need to again discuss lesson number 10, story. What is actually the story? Those who were facing problem in solving the worksheet, it is a golden opportunity for them to again understand the lesson, again understand the story. So I hope that I will have your kind attention in this lecture so that I will be able to become successful reaching to you in my revision lecture. Please students, make sure that here when now we are watching this revision explanation lecture, your concentration should be on the textbook page on the screen, I mean to say. So you have to read the lines with me whenever I am reading the story. And along with that, you have to try to understand the story. This will be very much easy when you are paying attention, 100% attention in the lecture. And your queries will be solved, which might be there in the story. So have fun watching this lecture. Try to utilize it at its full extent. Let's get started now. You will be able to see the textbook on the screen. So lesson number 10, the story of the 4 seasons. Here this is a very beautiful lesson based on the seasons. Here in this story we can even see how a father unites all the 4 brothers which were first fighting, and then they were living a happy life with the guidance of their father. We even see that in this lesson all the 4 seasons. In India we have 5 seasons, but overall if we see, the 4 seasons are real brothers. Can you just believe how beautiful the heart and the mind will be of the writer of this story? Let us start with the story of the 4 seasons. Here, reading part. Long ago, there lived 4 gods on earth. They were brothers, but they were very different from each other. Their names were spring, summer, autumn and winter. So these are the 4 seasons which were the brothers is said in this story. So you also might be having brothers, you also might be having sisters, you also might be fighting with them, right? When your father brings any toy or anything for you or for your sister, chocolates, toys or anything, you also want that. So father has to bring 2 or 3 things, as many brothers or sisters you are, otherwise you start fighting. This is mine, that is mine, and so on. Same thing, what do you think? These are the 4 brothers and they were gods. Just imagine God, how powerful they might be. So how powerful their fights might be. Let us see whether they will fight or they will just have the misunderstandings, how the fights are going to be clear. Let's get started. So basically, I hope that you came to know that here this story, in this story there are 4 brothers. Which are the 4 brothers? Yes, boys and girls, repeat with me. Spring, summer, autumn and winter. These are the 4 brothers, right? I hope you were repeating with me. Let us repeat it one more time. Name of 4 brothers: spring, summer, autumn and winter. So these are the 4 brothers. Now, one day their father said that they all could rule the earth. The brothers were very happy. Now just imagine, all the 4 brothers were God. Now their father one day said that you all can rule on the planet earth. Do you know, students, where we dwell? Yes, we are also on the planet earth. And you might be now able to connect yourself with the story. You know that we have these seasons, right? Right now summer season will start. So their father, all the seasons father said that summer, autumn, winter, spring, you all can rule the earth. To rule means to have the own reign, to handle that place, to control that place. Kings rule the cities and the states, right? So the brothers were very happy. Obviously, students, just imagine if I tell you that you are the head boy or you are the head girl of the class. You are the captain of the class. So will you not become happy? Yes, you will be very much ecstatic, because now you know that you are going to handle all the other classmates. Same thing happened with these 4 brothers. They all were very happy. But now the thing is, there are 4 brothers and the planet is only one, earth. So, but father, there is only one earth. How can all 4 of us rule at the same time? They asked. Yes, for the couple of minutes or the couple of seconds, all the 4 brothers were very happy to to hear this news. But then all of them asked together to their father that, Father, this is a good news you are giving us, but we are 4 brothers and there is only one planet Earth. So how all of us can rule on one earth, right? They will start fighting. This is the same situation. Like I have, or your father or someone has gifted you a car or remote control car or some beautiful game. But the game is only one. You brothers and sisters are 2, 3, 4 and 5. So many brothers and sisters, but only one toy. Will you not fight? I want to play. This way you will start fighting. Disputes will be created, right, amongst the brothers and sisters. So just imagine you have one bicycle and you are more than 2 brothers and sisters. or your cousins have come to your house, will you not start fighting? Yes, sometimes you might have fought with them. Oh, this is my bicycle, do not touch that and this. So the same thing would have happened here. That is why brothers asked to stay away from fighting. They asked that, Father, there is only one earth. How can all four of us rule, control the same place? You can take turns, the father replied. So each brother was made the king of earth for 12 months. Now the father said, okay, you are 4 and earth is only 1. So what you can do is, you can take the turns, that means one by one, each brother could rule the earth for few months. So at first what happened, each brother one by one they came and they ruled the earth for 12 months. 12 months means 1 year, right? So each brother ruled for 12 months, which is 1 year. Now just imagine, students, just mark my words, try to understand my words. You say, for an example, you are 3 or 4 brothers and sisters, or you are 3 or 4 friends sitting together. Now your father will give you one toy, and then he will say that everyone will get the chance to play with this toy after one year. Will you wait for 1 year? Or will you wait for 3 years if before you 3 other friends are using it? No, you cannot wait for such a long time. I think that the disputes will be created for this situation. Let's see what will happen. Father said, yes, you can take turns. So each brother started ruling on the earth for one year, turn by turn. Summer, the eldest of 4 brothers, was the first one to become the king of the earth. So you know, always the big brother who is bigger, eldest in the house, he gets the priority. Same thing happened here. Summer was eldest. Eldest means bigger than all the 3 other brothers. Elder than, in the age he was bigger. So he was elder than all the other 3 brothers. So Summer was the eldest brother. So he took the first chance and he became the king of the earth for the first time. He was very hot-headed. Obviously, you know that in summer season we barely go out in the afternoon time or during the night time. We need air conditioner, cooler, fans, drink chilled water, this and that we need because it's very hot outside there. So Summer was very hot-headed. That means he was very, person who becomes angry very easily. So with his heat, the earth heated up in no time. So Summer was so much angry all the time that with his heat, the planet Earth was getting hot within no time. That means the surface and everything was getting very hot. The days and the nights became very hot. Yes, we cannot sleep without air conditioner or cooler. Sometimes people have this habit. So days and nights were becoming very hot. Sometimes the heat was so severe that people and animals felt very uncomfortable. See students, now in this summer season, if we ask you to wear your t-shirt and then your shirt, then wear the socks, wear the coat, you wear the jacket, then is this possible? You will feel comfortable? No. You will start sweating, perspirations will start happening on your body, right? You want to wear something very light of cotton or of light color. You generally wear the night dress at your home so that you feel comfortable, especially in the summer season. You don't like to cover your body as you cover in the winter season. So what happened? The people and the animals were feeling very, very uncomfortable. They were not at all feeling they were not at all feeling happy. Then came autumn's turn to become the king. So now after the rule of summer, after 12 months of hot climate, finally came autumn's turn. So the second brother whose turn came was autumn. So autumn ruled the earth. He was gentler than summer. So gentler means he was a bit less hotter. There was neither too hot nor too cold in autumn season. So at least the hotness was down. The weather was less hot or less hotter compared to summer season. So people were otherwise feeling very much comfortable compared to summer season. He brought down the heat on earth. So the temperature of the earth was becoming low. The heat was decreasing. People were feeling much more comfortable. People and animals were now calm. The trees shed their worn out leaves that had dried up during summer's rule. So during the summer season, obviously, like we people feel very hot, trees and the plants, flowers, they are also considered as the living things. They also feel this heat when the summer season is there. So some trees, there are the leaves which falls down automatically. You will be able to observe, if you see the area near the tree, leaves are there on the floor. So those leaves are called dead leaves. So they fall down because they dry. Their color changes. So this is what happened throughout 1 year because summer season was ruling. So in autumn season, the trees were shedding down their leaves. That means the leaves were falling down from the trees which were died, or the leaves which died because of the summer's heat. So the trees shed down their worn out leaves that had dried up during the summer's rule. After 12 months, winter took over. Now, after the rule of autumn, the third brother, who was the ruler, who was the king, was winter. He was very cold hearted. So, winter was very cold hearted. Cold hearted means the person who has no feeling, right? The person who is opposite to, we can say, summer. Here, compared to winter, both the brothers were opposite. Yes, this might happen in your house also. You are very calm in the nature, but your brother might be very much angry in the nature, might be very much furious. You can say that this word furious all the time, or ferocious, we can say, who becomes very angry. So this happens sometimes. Even when you are staying in the same house, your brother's nature is different, your nature is different, your sister's nature might be different. So this might happen. So the same thing is here. Winter was very cold hearted, right? He had no feelings for anyone. He was just very cold. So with his coldness, even the air became cold. So the air in the atmosphere also became very, very cold because of his very cold nature. The trees shed all their leaves and became bare. Now everywhere the snow was there, even on the trees. So it was not possible for the trees to grow the new leaves and the new flowers because everywhere the snow was there. So the leaves even fell down in this season. Snow began to fall. Soon the earth was freezing. See, the entire earth, you can see the picture in the background, was covered with snow and earth started freezing. It became difficult for the people and animals to live on it. It happens sometimes. Few people are not able to bear the summer season. Few people are not able to bear the winter season because it is too hot and too cold. So we people need exact climate where there is not too hot or nor too cold climate, right? So in the winter season, when the snowfall is there, again we have to cover our body, gloves, we need to cover our ears. We need to cover our feet and every single thing so that we don't feel uncomfortable because of the snow. We become ill, sneezing, coughing, cold, common cold. These diseases happen in the winter season if we do not take care of our health in the winter season. So people and animals also, animals, just imagine, they are homeless. Animals, most of the animals, they walk on the roads, they sleep on the road. So how is it possible to sleep on the snow? So they really felt very uncomfortable. See, these are the pictures. This is summer season, you can see. You can see this is the spring season, this is winter, and this is autumn season. So summer is very hot, see, very hot headed, very angry all the time. Here you can see winter season, very cold, full of snow, right? Now let's see what happened after winter's rule. So then came the spring's turn to become the king. Now the last brother was Spring, so he was the last one to rule on the earth. With him he brought warmth. It was neither too hot nor too cold on the earth. Now spring was the best season for human beings and even for the animals. Ask me why? Why is because in the spring season there was neither too hot nor too cold climate. So people were having the proper climate, right? Otherwise in the winter it was very cold, in summer it was very hot. So spring was the best season for them. The climate was balanced properly. He melted the ice and the rivers began to flow again. You know the smell of that river which starts flowing. It's very beautiful, it's very good fragrance. So what happened? The rivers which were freezed because of the snowfall in the winter again started flowing back like the shining water. The barren trees grew new leaves. Barren trees means the trees without the leaves and the flowers and fruits. Empty trees again started growing their leaves, new flowers blossomed, and even the fruits started growing on the trees. The people and animals were delighted. People and animals were very happy. Yes, we like to go out in the breezy climate, in the windy climate, but it should not be too much windy. So this season is perfect. In the spring season, you will be able to smell fresh new flowers, new leaves, and it will be very good. Everything will be covered, like we can say greenery will be there everywhere. There was happiness all around. See, like I said, people, animals, everyone were very much happy. So obviously there was happiness spread all around on the planet Earth. Now, then a problem arose. Now, the problem will arise. Which problem will arise? Try to think. See, first summer ruled for 1 year. Then autumn ruled for second year. For the third year, winter season ruled. And the last turn was of spring season. So 1 year each brother ruled. Let me write down here. For 1 year summer ruled. For second year autumn ruled. For third year winter. Now for the fourth year, who is going to rule? Fourth year spring is going to rule. So now each brother were ruling for 1 year. So just imagine the last brother whose chance was last, he has to wait for 3 years. Is that possible? Like I gave you the example, if your father or anyone brings to you new toy and there is only one toy but you are more than one to play with it, will you wait for 1 year to get your turn to play with that toy? That is not possible. So there is the issue here, the same issue is here. Then a problem arose. Each brother had to wait for 3 years to get his turn to become the king. They grew impatient and started fighting with each other. See, this is what you people also might be doing, fighting for the sake of toy or for any other thing. Because here each brother had to rule for one year, each brother will have to wait for 3 years for their turn, right? Because there were 4 brothers. When one is ruling, all the other 3 brothers are waiting. Again, after that particular king's rule, he has to wait again for 3 years, again for his chance to rule the earth. So they started growing impatient. They were not able to wait for the long time. So they started fighting with each other. Now students, what do you think? Will they beat each other? Will they fight with each other? Will they stop talking to each other? What will happen? No, they were not the normal human beings. They were gods. Yes, here as they were growing impatient, they started fighting. So they will not act as they are human beings. We human beings, what do? We throw the things of friends, we beat them, we fight with them. So this thing never should happen. So never it happened here. Yes, they started fighting, they started serious discussions so that they don't have to wait for such a long time. So what do you think? What would have happened? Keep thinking. I will explain you in the next lecture that what would have happened. I will disclose this particular secret. Father had the secret formula, which we will discuss in the next lecture. Till here, whatever I have explained you, I hope that you will keep reading it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.